This is an ibis. Now, an ibis, they can come in 28 different species and a multitude of different colors. They can range anywhere from white, as you can see on the screen, to brown, bright orange, red, even an iridescent one. How cool is that? Now, they live in very large flocks. They eat, swim, and are constantly together. And in fact, when they breed in very large colonies and build their nests in compact, low bushes or in trees. And they can lay between 3 and 5 eggs at a time. Did you also know they are considered an adult by the time they're 2 years old? Can you imagine? Now, you can find these guys in lagoons, lakes, swamps, bays, and marshes. That's right. They like to hunt in all those dirt and the mud to get, guess what? Small fishes, crustaceans, algae, snails, earthworms, and more. My goodness. Now, these beautiful birds can live up to 25 years. How very cool is that? And generally, the male is larger than the female. Who knew we were going to learn so much about the ibis today? Are also considered wading birds. That's right, because they wade in the water and search around with their beaks to try and find all the different things from frogs to insects. How cool! They also live in warm regions, with the exception of the South Pacific Islands. They can range in weight anywhere from 0.06 to 4 pounds, depending on the species. How cool is that? Ibis's nostrils, so their breathing holes, are actually found at the base of their bill. That's right. And you know why? It's perfectly designed because of the fact that they always have their beaks submerged in water. And this allows them to breathe while they're searching for food. Man, all the things we're learning today. They are active during daylight hours. That's right. These guys are most busy all the way from dawn until the evening. And you can watch them fly in their large flocks, chase each other around, and just absolutely be entertaining. Now, when they fly with their neck and legs extended, and they also alternate between flapping their wings and gliding. That's right, they do this to conserve energy for those long flights. Now you can see that this little fellow almost looks brown, but when you look closely, you can see it's iridescent, which means the light catches it and it actually becomes almost like a rainbow. How beautiful. Now, these guys are omnivores. That's right. And being an omnivore means that they eat anywhere between, grasses and algae and different things from the plant to insects, frogs, and other animals. How awesome is that? That means that they can pretty much maintain themselves given any marsh, any swamp. How wonderful are the ibis? Now, their name, did you know it comes from the Greek? That's right, and it actually means a group of birds. I think that was pretty obvious because they fly in large groups when they do it. And do you know why they do this? Well, they do it for protection. That's right. In larger groups, predators are less likely to go after them or their young. So that's why during breeding season, they breed in these very large groups. All the things we learned about the ibis. I hope you enjoyed